Hello guys. My name is Rada, and I will be your teacher for the software design pattern in Python. Before we start, I want to show you what you will learn in today's video. In this video, we will understand and see an example in Python of the abstract factory pattern. I will use Python 3.8. So, let us start. The abstract factory pattern is used to create objects of different types, without having to specify the classes that create them. We will take an example to understand more. We will take the same example as the course of the factory method. The difference in this course is that the drink factory class will be abstract. And we will have a class juice factory, coffee factory, and tea factory, which inherit from the class drink factory, to force those classes to implement some methods inherited from the abstract class. Now, a student of mine will implement the abstract factory pattern.
Okay, now like the video of the factory method, we will take the same example. We have a drink class, abstract class, and three classes, juice, coffee, and tea, which inherit from drink class. And these three classes have only one method: drink is ready, and also drink is ready. Okay. And also we'll add a class soda if you want. Class soda also has only one method: drink is ready. Now we should implement the class called drink factory. But this time, not like the example of the factory method. In the abstract factory, the drink factory class should be abstract. So ABC. Okay. And so we will give it one method. It's called drink preparation. Okay. And from this class, three classes should inherit from. So we'll start with juice factory, which inherits from the class drink factory. So we should define the method drink preparation. We just print juice preparation. Juice preparation. Okay. And we will return the objects from the class juice, like this. Should implement also coffee factory, coffee, and also coffee. The same thing here for tea, and we return object tea. And we will add also a soda factory class. Soda and soda. So now we have four classes which inherit from the class drink factory. So the drink factory's abstract class forces us to define the method drink preparation in the other classes. That's it. So now we will test the program. If name equal to main now we create a first drink. Let's call it drink 1, which equal to juice factory. I forgot to put this method as static method, so we can call them, or we can just do like this. Okay, drink preparation, then drink 1. Drink is ready. Okay, we can do it for the other drink also. Drink 2. This time for, let's choose tea. Okay. Three. Let's choose soda. Okay, let's try this and see. Okay, now you should see that we got the first object, juice. Then we use the method in this from the class juice. Then the second object is tea. Then we use the method in this class the class tea. Then soda, and you can see that everything is working fine. So I guess that's it.
You can see now that using the abstract factory pattern, we can call different objects, without dealing with how those objects are created, and it will be also easy to add new drinks classes, like soda for example, to the code without breaking the program. And we also force the client to implement some methods using the abstraction. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I see you soon.